This video is supported by AC Infinity. Yo, what up guys? Bassdropkeys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. And in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the IonBoard S44 full spectrum LED grow light from AC Infinity. This is a 400 watt grow light. It has Samsung LM301B diodes in it, and it's meant for a 4x4 grow area. It does have a dimmer so you can adjust your light between 0 and 100% brightness. It also has ports where you can daisy chain lights together, and you can also connect it to the smart controllers. So that means that you can access grow cycles and scheduling all within the AC Infinity app. You know, when you think about AC Infinity, the first thing that you think about is quality. All of their products are quality products. And as you see me doing this unboxing and setup, you really have to give it to AC Infinity the pride that they take in their packaging. The packaging of the AC Infinity products is so good that I actually keep all the boxes from all the products that I have. And if you guys don't know, I do have an entire AC Infinity grow room. I want to thank AC Infinity for being a great sponsor to me. If you're interested in getting the S44 light or any of the other AC Infinity products, use the code Bassdropkeys to get a 10% discount on any order at aceinfinity.com. And speaking on aceinfinity.com, did I mention that this light just got restocked today? So if you're interested in getting the light, you can buy it right now on the website. It's $3.99. Use Bassdropkeys. That'll save you 10% on your order. To set up the light is very simple. The light comes with two hangers that you're going to put on either side of it. Once you do that, you're going to attach the ratchet ropes that it comes with and raise it up in your grow tent or your grow area. I'm using an additional set of ratchet ropes just as a safety precaution. As you guys know, I was in the Army, so we're always thinking about what could happen. And just in case one of the ropes break or something happens, I always put an additional set of ratchet ropes on the lights just in case. Now I can sit here and read all the technical specs on the light right from the website, but what you guys really want to see is the light in action. So what I want to do right now is I want to invite all of you that's watching this video, come over and subscribe to my Bassdropkeys YFNN channel. AC Infinity was kind enough to sponsor a full grow that starts Monday on my Bassdropkeys channel. You will also see the Autopot systems inside of this grow because Autopot was kind enough to sponsor the grow series as well. So if you want to see this light in action, I have a brand new grow series that's starting on Monday. Come over to my other channel. We're going to really see what this light can do and put it to work. And before I get up out of here, I do want to take this time to thank my Patreon patrons. As you guys know, YouTube has stopped my monetization, so my Patreon patrons are the real people that's keeping this channel going. I want to thank all of you. I really appreciate it. If you're looking for a one-on-one mentor, somebody that can help you grow, do edibles, and everything in between, come join my Patreon. If you're interested in supporting me off of YouTube, come join me on Patreon. We do monthly giveaways and a bunch of great other stuff. This month, I will be giving away $50 cash to somebody on my Patreon. Once again, thank you to AC Infinity for sponsoring me. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.